Groundwork took young people to Llanberis Lake, at the gateway to Snowdonia National Park. They used the dramatic scenery as an inspiration for their songwriting.
We worked with two groups of children from the Bangor and Carnarvon area, about 25 children in total. We decided to work with them to create a music track. In this way, they'd be working together as a team without realising they were building their social and personal skills. To begin with, when you first got to know the children in the course, they were very lacking in confidence and didn't want to speak to you very much and were very shy, and they didn't think that actually they could sing in front of people and play musical instruments. It was things that were alien to them. And once they got playing the musical instruments, they actually realised that they could do it, and it's a no mean feat to be able to play a musical instrument or to sing in public if you don't actually sing very well yourselves.
Together we wrote a song about what happened when we walked around the lake. We also got information from the National Slate Museum by the lake and put it into a song. And we all played different instruments, and I played the guitar and it was quite easy to play, but I haven't played it since. We had to practice lots and I was quite nervous when I first did it, but then we got the hang of it. Once we finished our music track, we had a presentation and quite a few people came. These whales came to the presentation and we started doing confidence building games and asking what we would do when we were leaving school.
The children have moved on now from the school, and I think they've gained confidence from the course. A lot of them have gone on to do various courses. Quite a few of them have gone on to work in the arts and to do art courses within colleges in the local area, and other children have gone on to go to the army and other things like that.